30 interesting facts about the world and the universe. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and their blood is blue due to hemocyanin, a copper-based pigment instead of iron. In space, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller because gravity doesn't compress their spinal discs. Bees can recognize human faces, allowing them to identify familiar people. Shadows are shorter at noon due to the sun's angle over the Earth, and in some places, they disappear completely at certain times of the year. Plants can scream when under stress, emitting ultrasonic sounds that other organisms can detect. Human DNA is 60% identical to that of bananas, showing how interconnected life on Earth is. Sharks are older than trees. They have existed for over 400 million years, while modern trees appeared around 350 million years ago. On Jupiter and Saturn, it rains diamonds due to the extreme pressure in their atmospheres turning carbon into precious crystals. Starfish can regenerate lost arms, and some species can even regrow an entire body from a single arm. Radio waves from the Big Bang still travel through the universe and can be detected as static noise on old TVs and radios. Cats have an extra bone in their collarbone, allowing them to squeeze through incredibly tight spaces. Ice can be hotter than fire if it exists in an ultra-cold plasma state, reaching millions of degrees in certain scientific experiments. Honey is the only food that never spoils. Honey found in Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old is still edible. Humans glow in the dark, but the light we emit is too faint for the human eye to perceive. A single gram of DNA can store the equivalent of 215 million gigabytes of digital information. If you travel back in time and change something, quantum mechanics suggests that the timeline might split into a new reality instead of altering the original one. Turtles can breathe through their rear end, a process called cloacal respiration that helps them absorb oxygen while hibernating underwater. Electric eels can generate shocks of up to 600 volts, enough to stun a horse or power a light bulb. Lightning can be hotter than the surface of the sun, reaching temperatures of up to 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit 30,000 degrees Celsius. Dolphins have individual names and call each other using unique whistles. Lava is not hot enough to melt most commercial metals, but it can instantly vaporize water. The human brain can process images in just 13 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. If the sun suddenly disappeared, we wouldn't notice for 8 minutes since that's how long its light takes to reach Earth. Jellyfish have no brain, but some species can learn from their environment through a network of nerve cells. Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, meaning that days are getting longer over time. A blue whale's heart can weigh over 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, and is as big as a small car. Water technically has no taste, but our brain interprets its contact with the tongue as a specific flavor. In Antarctica, there are rivers that flow with salt water even at sub-zero temperatures due to their high salt concentration. The cells in the human body are constantly being replaced. In about 7 years, nearly every cell in your body will have been renewed. The venom of the stonefish is one of the most painful in the world and can cause paralysis, heart failure, and death within hours. Thank you for making it this far. Subscribe for more content. I know other facts.